Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to fix error code 19,000 in Starcitizen, so you can get back to flying and exploring without any more frustrating interruptions. First off, restart the game and launcher. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch, and a quick restart clears things up. Next, verify game files through the launcher period, head to the Settings menu, and select Repair Game. This checks for corrupted or missing files and fixes them automatically. Here's a big one. Update your GPU drivers. Use NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD software to download the latest version. Outdated drivers are a common cause of error 19,000. Also, clear the shader cache. Navigate to your Starcitizen directory and delete the shader folder. The game will rebuild it next time you launch. Don't forget to disable overclocking tools like MSI Afterburner. They can interfere with the game and trigger errors. If you're on Windows, try running the game as administrator. Right-click the executable and select Run as Admin for better system access. So should you panic over error code 19,000? Not anymore. Just follow these steps and get back into space fast. Let me know in the comments if any of these fixes worked for you. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.